Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. If you are preparing for SEBI Graded 2020-21, you must be thinking what all you have to cover in General Awareness Paper 1 for Phase 1 examination. In this video, we will be discussing how to approach this paper, what important topics can be asked in this paper. Before discussing the general awareness strategy, let us understand the exam pattern for Phase 1 examination. The Phase 1 exam will have two papers and it will have total 200 marks and you will be given 100 minutes to complete the paper. In paper 1, English, reasoning, general awareness and quantitative aptitude will be asked and it will have 100 marks. Same for paper 2, it will have 40 minutes and it will have 100 marks. Here finance, costing, management, economics, companies act, commerce and accountancy will be asked, and these two papers are qualifying in nature. In paper 1 minimum you have to get 30% marks and in paper 2 minimum you have to get 40% marks, and overall you have to get 40% marks, then you are qualified for Phase 2. Here no merit list will be prepared. If you are getting these marks, you can easily qualify for Phase 2. Now we'll discuss how to cover the general awareness. What can be asked in general awareness section? If you'll see the SEBI graded 2020 notification, for paper 1 they have said that multiple choice questions on subjects like general awareness including some questions related to financial sector of easy to moderate difficulty level. They have not defined the general awareness, what all they are going to ask, and they have also not clarified the financial sector. But for paper 2 they have very well defined the syllabus. You know what all they are going to ask, but for paper 2 we don't have any clue. But we know the keywords financial sector and we know the keywords general awareness, so we have diagnosed what all they can ask. They can ask question related to basic economy and finance. Here the question can be static in nature or current affairs in nature. See, GDP is in the news, they can ask question related to GDP. Inflation is in the news, so they can ask question related to inflation. Unemployment in the news, so they can ask question related to unemployment. So these are the topic they can ask. In inflation they can ask types of inflation. Unemployment also they can ask type of unemployment, how to calculate GDP and all. GNP related questions can be asked. If banking sector is doing any changes, any reform, they have started any initiatives, these things can be asked. If something has done by RBI or SEBI, they can ask those questions in general awareness. So it could be in static in nature or current affairs in nature. Now they have generic words like general awareness, so they can ask question related to national parks in India, important books and authors, country, capital and currency they can ask, important places and dams in India they can ask, and they can also ask generic current affairs. In further slide we have defined what is generic current affairs. So this could be the nature of paper for general awareness. Educare 247 has some important courses for SEBI grade A. We have three courses. One is comprehensive course which cover complete syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2. We have SEBI grade A MCQ course, that is for paper 2 only. We have crash course for phase 1 and phase 2. Here paper 1 syllabus is not covered, but paper 2 syllabus, current affairs, descriptive English is covered. So according to your preparation stage you can join the courses. If you are at advanced stage you can look for MCQ course. If you are starting your preparation from the basic you can look for comprehensive course. You are not very confident but still have prepared something, you should go for crash course. So this is the courses for SEBI grade A 2020. Under the generic current affairs, they can ask questions related to awards in the news. If some important awards have been given recently, it can be asked. Sports related questions can be asked, like IPL is happening, so maybe questions related to IPL can be asked. Important days related questions can be asked. Important person in news related questions can be asked. If some person has been appointed for important government bodies or any banks, it can be asked in the exam. Important events and summits can be asked. Many events are happening virtually and our prime minister is participating in those events, so it can be asked in the examination. So it will be very generic in nature. These kind of questions can be asked under the general awareness section. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.